Good evening, guys. Today I am going to shoot a random video. Some kids around here, while playing, they made a trap for birds. So I requested them to make a trap again in the camera. We'll be setting up a trap for a bird. They will be making it. I'll just be shooting the videos, and let's see whatever happens. This is me, Agrim, and I'm going to introduce some other people to you. Today I have some more people with me. This is Bodhika. Bodhika. Who are you?
I'm a Prasun Adhikari.
Okay, he is Prasun. This guy is, you know him very well. He is Kevin. And some more people are in the team. This is Tara Magar. This one is our another team member, Hemanta. What's your name?
Hemanta.
Hemanta?
Sunari Magar.
Hemanta Sunari Magar. Where do you study? 4. Five, class 5. Okay. The next team member I am going to introduce to you is Umesh. Umesh, what's your name? What's your name, Umesh? He is a bit shy. For him we call by name Umesh, but his real name is Uttam Purvasane. So he is one of the makers of the trap. The next team member is Ashish. नाम के हो बाबू तेरो? आशीष बमजन. कतिमा पढ्छौ?
6.
Okay, he is Ashish Bamjan. He studies in class 6. He is one of the main person who is going to make the trap. These people you will be seeing these many people in the vlog. Okay, these many people you'll be seeing in the vlog. This is Uttam. This is me, Agrim. Now we'll be setting up a trap for a bird, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, guys. These are the materials we need for setting up a trap. Some sticks, some pieces of sticks, some stones, a kind of thread is also there they have used, some rubber stripes, and then now we'll be seeing how will they set up a trap. Okay, now they are going to make the trap, set up the trap. Okay, guys, start making. See how will they put up the things and how will they make it. So they are on the process of setting up the trap. Umesh is doing something with the thread and rubber. They are making it very nicely. They are doing it. I'll be showing you after the trap is complete. This is the another process they are doing. They are trying to fix it properly. Okay, after the completion of trap, it seems like this. This one is rubber string. Here of maroon and pink mixed color you can see a thread. When some bird come and sit on this twig, it will get removed, and because of that rubber string it will pull towards that pillar, and then the bird will be trapped in this. Here we have some rice grains. Here you can see it. let's hope for some birds to come and sit on the trap so that we can get it. But the thing is, here we are around a residential area. So in the residential area, there is probability of getting some other things caught. Sometimes maybe small animals like goats. A cow will not get trapped by this. So let's see what comes into it. Either we'll be empty-handed or we'll be getting something. Let's see. Let's stay tuned. It's around 10-15 minutes and the kids have called me. They got something in the trap. Kevin, shall we go?
Yes.
Let's go. Wow. We are going to them. They all seem excited. Keep on, oh. Oh, there is something. Wait. Oh, there is something. It's a chicken, huh? Oh, guys, we are planning for a bird. It's also a bird, but this is a chicken, someone's domestic chicken. See how the trap works. See, its leg got tied on that blue and purple rope that we planted. It came to eat this, and this is the helpless chicken. Okay, guys, this is the end of the vlog. This was just to show how a bird trap works. It worked properly. And then these all are the kids who have been making videos. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, if you like the video,
Like, share, subscribe, and share this video.
thank you.
Thank you.